Get ready to be amazed, because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed, because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions,